Hello friends, welcome back to our Agile Management series. In today's video, we would talk about the Agile Principles from the Agile Manifesto document. Agile Principles are a set of guiding concepts that support product teams in implementing Agile product development and project management techniques. These principles act as a litmus test to determine whether or not you are being agile in your thinking and product development. So there are following 12 principles which are based on the Agile Manifesto. So let's start. The first one says, our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. It means the idea is to get a working product in the hands of customer as soon as possible. This is called an MVP, a minimum viable product out for customers to experience and provide feedback. The second principle says, welcome changing requirement even late in development. Agile process harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. In waterfall model, it was change adverse and was difficult to adapt to changing client requirements after it got freezed initially. Agile helps adapt to changing trends or absorb competitive threats. Third principle says, deliver working software frequently, from a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with a preference to the shorter time scale. This means having small mini releases of the big product so that speed up the overall development, and from client perspective, they get to see things moving on and help to get early feedback for any changes. The fourth principle says business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Enforcing communication throughout of development sprint ensures to bridge any gaps. This is normally achieved through daily stand-ups with the entire team. The fifth principle says build projects around motivated individuals. Give them the environment and support they need and trust them to get the job done. Instead of having a micromanagement culture, Agile empowers the individuals and the team and trusts them to complete the job efficiently. The sixth principle says the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within the development team is face-to-face conversation. Human interaction through face or through video calls are recommended for close collaboration between individuals of teams. That is the reason Agile delivery involves daily connects, frequent demos, sprint planning meetings, etc. The seventh principle says working software is the primary measure of progress. This sets a mentality for a minimal viable product than a fully developed software. Shipping the software often is better a perfect one than at a later point of time. The eighth principle says Agile process promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Before start of every sprint, amount of work is committed upfront and additional tasks are normally not accepted. Team capacity to delivery is planned in advance and hence agreed by individual members. The ninth principle says continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhance agility. With the speed of delivery, sometimes this aspect takes a hit. So this principle gets attention to manage the technical debt of any deviation because of fast delivery of software. The 10th principle says simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. This principle ensures project managers use prioritization techniques to pick and choose what to deliver, what to push based on company goals and vision. The 11th principle says the best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. Decisions in traditional software development were owned by a central management team. In Agile, recommends self-organizing teams who takes ownership and decisions are taken as a group rather than only one individual. The last principle says at regular interval, the team reflects on how to become more effective then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. The team needs to pause, reflect on what went well, what didn't go well, and where there is a scope for improvement. This is normally achieved through retrospective meetings. So these were the 12 agile principles that gives us an understanding of the agile thinking being weaved into software development. We will keep talking more on this. Keep watching and do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.